Natural and home remedies for herniated discs. Herniated disc or slipped disc is a problem related with the cushions-like spines present between the vertebrae. The human spinal disc is similar to a jelly donut that has a tough exterior, but contains a very soft center. When a crack forms on the surface of the spinal disc, the soft jelly oozes out and aggravates the nerves around the spine, causing severe pain and discomfort in arms and legs. While medications and therapies can provide relief to many patients, others with severe pain may undertake surgery. Many patients are unaware about the problem of slipped disc until they get an X-ray of the lumbar and cervical spine. To discover this disease in early stage, look out some of the symptoms of herniated disc. A herniated disc, also known as a slipped or ruptured disc, is an issue that involves one of the rubbery cushions in between the individual bones in your spine. These discs can be compared to a jelly donut, for lack of a better visual, in that the discs have a soft center within a tough exterior. The condition occurs when some of the soft fluid from within the disc pushes out through a crack in the exterior. A herniated disc can cause irritation to the nearby nerves, resulting in pain, numbness, or weakness in an arm or leg. Some individuals, however, experience no pain and the issue is only identified through spinal imaging. The muscles surrounding the nerves become feeble, which makes it difficult to carry heavy items. Lumbar herniated disc, pain in the lower back, will usually lead to unbearable pain in the calf, legs, buttocks, and thighs. Cervical herniated disc, pain in the neck, causes severe pain in the arms and shoulders. You also experience numbness in the arms, chest, and legs. Pain while bending forward or twisting. Once you diagnose the problem of herniated disc, it is imperative to seek medical advice. Through advanced diagnostic techniques, you will definitively get some relief. Getting rid of herniated disc is a bit tricky question, however, using the home remedies mentioned below can help you to a greater extent. Home remedies for herniated disc. Walking. Walking is the best form of exercise regardless of whether you suffer from herniated disc or not. Find a flat surface and walk for around 10 to 20 minutes after every 3 hours. Remember not to push yourself too much, especially if you have pain in the legs. Heat and cold therapy. Use a heat or cold pad in alternation. In order to reduce inflammation, it is advisable to apply a cold pad for the first few days, and later, switch to the heat pack. You can heat a pad by placing it in the microwave for around 15 minutes. Further, apply it on the affected area after every 2 to 3 hours. Rest. Take complete rest but do not sleep in the same position for a long time. People with slipped disc find sleeping on a flat surface, such as a floor or a firm bed with small pillows underneath the knees, pretty comfortable. It would be better to change positions after a while. Never sleep on your stomach, if you suffer from herniated disc. Physiotherapy and yoga. Physiotherapy is an excellent way to get relief from pain associated with lower back. Therapists will teach you the proper way of lifting, walking and performing day-to-day activities. You can also ask your physician to show you some basic stretching exercises that strengthens the muscles and support your spine. Besides, it makes your legs and spine more flexible than ever. Alternatively, performing yoga under supervision may hasten the healing process. Turmeric. Turmeric has an active compound called curcumin that is an excellent antioxidant and possesses anti-inflammatory effects. It helps prevent the jelly-like liquid from leaking. This spice is not only available in a powdered form, but capsules and tablets are also accessible. It also gives antihistamine effects on the body, as it reduces blood flow to those body parts that experiences pain caused by ruptured disc. Dimethyl sulfoxide, DMSO. Try using dimethyl sulfoxide for alleviating the pain of slipped disc. The colorless liquid is made up of organic sulfur that helps in generating new cells and detoxifies the body as well. Massage. A complete massage will pressurize certain points of your body and helps relieve even chronic pain, when taken on a regular basis. It incorporates kneading, stroking, and manipulation of the back tissues, which, in turn, increases the movement of blood flow. It also enhances the absorption of nutrient and oxygen by the cells of your body. Acupressure and acupuncture. Both acupressure and acupuncture are slightly different ancient techniques of alleviating pain. In the first one, finger, hands and elbows are used, while the other method uses needles for curing pain. You will need an experienced practitioner, who can perform these techniques. TENS. Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulations, TENS, is an excellent form of home treatment for herniated disc. A low-voltage electrical current is used on the affected areas, which helps body to release a liquid called endorphin, a natural painkiller. Inversion therapy. Inversion therapy is a great way of taking away the pressure from the nerve roots with the help of gravity. It is a spinal traction technique that increases the intervertebral space. You have to purchase an inversion table for performing this therapy. Alternatively, you can use a stabilizing frame. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is an effective natural ingredient for healing herniated disc. Either apply a paste made from cayenne pepper and water on the affected area, or brew a cayenne pepper tea once during the day. Relax your muscles. Lie down flat on the floor. Lift your legs and place a ball or stool underneath your lower legs, so that your legs bend at the knees. Now, remain in the same position for 30 minutes. Do this at least twice a day. Select the right mattress. Majority of back problems occur because of sleeping on a hard or old mattress. To get relief from back pain, you must sleep on a mattress that can support your entire body, especially the hips, shoulders, and legs. If you sleep on a spring bed, you must place a hard board between the mattresses on the bed for firmness. Eat and drink right. Drink plenty of water and consume a healthy diet to keep several ailments at bay. Your eating habits and daily lifestyle majorly affect your body. Increase the intake of fiber-rich and fat-free foods, and also avoid dairy products and meat, until you feel better. Epsom salt. It is one of the most reasonable and effective pain healers. Simply add 1/4 cups of Epsom salt in a bathtub. Fill it with lukewarm water. Now, sink in it for a couple of minutes. It will give you ultimate relaxation. Horsetail decoction. Horsetail is a high mineral herb that nourishes our tissues. A decoction prepared from this herb can heal the broken bones and ligament injuries. Simply, add 1 ounce of fresh horsetail leaves to 24 ounces of cold water, and simmer until it reduces to about 16 ounces. Allow the liquid to cool before you strain it. Drink about 5 to 10 milliliters of the liquid at least 4 times a day. California poppy. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic nature of this herb makes it beneficial for the treatment of herniated disc. Crush some fresh leaves and apply the paste on the affected areas. White willow bark. The bark of white willow is commonly used for reducing the discomfort associated with herniated disc. The chemical structure of this herb is much similar to aspirin, however, it will not irritate your stomach. The analgesics, anti-astringent and anti-inflammatory properties of this herb help reduce the pain. Shed some pounds if you are overweight. Exercise on a regular basis. Use proper lifting techniques. Give up smoking. Avoid lifting heavy weights. Avoid wearing heels. Say no to junk food. Refrain from quick twists and jerks.